हेलो, गुड आफ्टरनून। काफी लोग मुझे some students have sent, काफी लोग तो नहीं, but some students have definitely sent me some texts. अरे हाँ, रिजल्ट्स आए आपके, बराबर है, पास वास हो गए। So congratulations to all of you for having cleared one major obstacle which prevents you from leading your life the way you want to, right? But look at this, you are like from the frying pan into the fire. You have just broken one chain and the second chain is ready for you. So that's what we are going to talk about today. So, well, frankly, that's what motivated me to clear my CA final exams in the first attempt. Okay? मैंने बस यही सोच के पढ़ा कि अगर ये अच्छे से पढ़ लिया तो इसके बाद जिंदगी भर एग्जाम ही नहीं देने का है कुछ. Well, apart from money, that happens to be the biggest motivator. This is the last exam I'm going to appear for in my life. If I do well. And if I don't do well, I'll have to appear for this exam again. That's the biggest demotivator that you can have. And between the two, somehow I managed to study continuously for 10 days without sleeping during the CA final exams. So whatever works, okay? For me, this type of motivation always works. Yeah, of course. So who's denying that, Miss Rutuja Malik? You are Rutuja Malik. Very good. हाँ, wrong window. Don't chat to each other. ये ऐसे wrong window में पहले बहुत सारे गड़बड़ हो चुके हैं. Right. So as I was saying, some people have pinged me कि अभी और schedule कैसा करना चाहिए with 40 days to go, 30 days to go. तो मेरा एक standard reply है, which is my favorite line from Friends, right? And that is, I am not very good at the advice. Can I interest you in a sarcastic comment? Absolutely. But decent behavior and proper manners make me prevent me from typing that out, okay, and sending it. Okay, so basically, see, now with the time that you have, right, the only thing that you should do is take tests and analyze them. Take tests and analyze them. Take tests and analyze them. That is it. Right? And analyze them honestly. Go back to the theoretical aspect only if there is a need. Of course, I'm always for taking rest. Of course. Go back to the theoretical aspect only if there is a need. By the time आप सबकी स्ट्रेटेजीज हमने बहुत बार डिस्कस की है, आपने मॉक टेस्ट में कौन सी स्ट्रेटेजी फॉलो करना चाहिए, आपने कैसा करना चाहिए, आपने इंग्लिश कैसे सॉल्व करना चाहिए, हमने बहुत डिस्कस, क्रिटिकल रीजनिंग कैसा करना चाहिए, हमने बहुत डिस्कस किया, राइट? So that's the point. The only thing that you can do, take as many tests, mock tests as you can before the actual test. ठीक है? और हर मॉक टेस्ट का पूरा in-depth analysis करना अनिवार्य है. It's absolutely very important that you do an in-depth analysis of all the tests that you are appearing for. Right? This has to be the two-pronged preparation strategy. ठीक है? और अभी तो आप लोगों के 12th हुआ ना आप लोगों का, तो अभी तो घर पे आप चिल आउट ही कर रहे होंगे, कोई काम धाम तो है नहीं आप लोगों को, नेटफ्लिक्स और वो स्टूपिड टीवी सीरीज देखने के अलावा. तो आराम कीजिए, खाना खाइए, कोई हॉबी डेवलप कीजिए अच्छे से और पढ़ाई कीजिए. दैट्स इट. और कुछ करना ही नहीं है. बाहर घूमने जा नहीं सकते, लॉकडाउन फिर से लग गया है. Fortunately, I was well stocked. So today, and of course, as Mridmay has pointed out, do take rests, proper rest, and don't overdo anything. सबसे important चीज है competitive exam के आखिरी 40 दिन में अपने माइंड को कंट्रोल करने की, बिकॉज अभी बहुत डिस्ट्रैक्शंस आएंगे, बहुत you'll suddenly start having a lot of questions on a very fundamental level. Things like मैं क्यों लॉ करूं, मैं क्यों आईपीएम करूं, मैं क्यों ये एंट्रेंस एग्जाम दूं, बिना एंट्रेंस एग्जाम के नहीं हो पाएगा क्या, ऐसे बहुत डिस्ट्रक्टिव लास्ट मिनट थॉट्स आपको आएंगे ही, राइट? उनको एंटरटेन मत कीजिए, दिस इज नॉट द टाइम। ये सब सवाल आपने 1 साल पहले पूछने चाहिए थे और उनके जवाब ढूंढने चाहिए थे, नहीं मिले हैं तो अब ये सवालों का कोई फायदा नहीं है। अभी ये सब सोचना है तो जब आपका एडमिशन हो जाएगा एनएलयू में, उसके बाद बोलना नहीं मेरे को लॉ नहीं करना है, फिर देखेंगे आपकी कितनी हिम्मत होती है। एक बार IIM इंदौर में आपका फाइनल एडमिशन ऑफर हो जाए, फिर बोलना कि नहीं मुझे आईपीएम नहीं करना है, फिर देखेंगे कितने लोगों की हिम्मत है डिसीजन लेने की। तब कोई ये डिसीजन नहीं ले पाएगा। इसका मतलब आज अगर ये थॉट आ रहा है, इसलिए नहीं आ रहा है कि वो एक्चुअल डाउट है आपको, इसलिए आ रहा है कि यहाँ कुछ होते हुए दिख नहीं रहा है। और आप इतने नेगेटिव थॉट्स जितना एंटरटेन करेंगे, इट्स गोइंग टू बी दैट मच डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू। ओके, सो नो स्टूपिड थॉट्स लाइक दैट। ऐसे कोई भी थॉट्स आए तो मेरे को तो फोन करना नहीं, नीरज सर से बात करना। मैं तो या तो बोल दूंगा कि छोड़ दो या बोल दूंगा कि झाड़ दूंगा। तो नीरज सर से बात करना, ऐसे कोई भी डाउट्स आए तो, ठीक है? उनमें बहुत पेशेंस है आपके डाउट सुनने का, राइट? पहले तो ऐसे थॉट्स आने ही नहीं चाहिए आपको। आर वी क्लियर ऑन दिस? व्हाट यू नीड टू डू नाउ फॉर द नेक्स्ट 30, 40, 50 डेज, जितना भी समय बचा है? Great. So today we have to analyze a few topics for VAT. So let's me take up that particular sheet. You have got the PPT for today? If no, I have it. Don't worry. Yeah. So euthanasia is a favorite topic, always asked at SLS Pune, and I hope you are aware of the judgment, recent judgment. I think it was July. Roughly 16 to 18 months ago, the Supreme Court made euthanasia legal in India, provided certain practical measures, certain precautions are taken. Okay, so I think this is a favorite topic. The point is, should you start this topic from the perspective of vocabulary, like Thanatos is the Greek god of death, euthanasia means a pleasant death? I don't think so. I think you should just start by defining what is euthanasia and then proceeding ahead to examine the pros and cons, right? I think long time back we had covered this point. We had covered this debate actually, yes? The pro-choice approach and the pro-life approach. We had, right? So in euthanasia, you can make a very good use of this particular thing, right? Euthanasia obviously is pro-choice. A pro-life stand would be, who are you to decide that you don't want to live? God has given you life, you know? So that thing, apart from the legal, ethical and moral things that are there, even this thing could come up. This could be a part of that particular essay. Okay. Swachh Bharat Mission, a failed movement. First of all, what is your opinion? How many of you say it has failed? Not completely. Okay. ठीक है. When you talk about Swachh Bharat Mission, a failed movement, remember it's a question mark. Okay. A failed movement ends in a question mark. So you have the right to make up your opinion that it has not failed. Now remember, you are not yet entitled to vote, right? You are not the voting age. I'm coming to that. See, it all depends on the language, right? If your language is like the journalists of India, no. First of all, I don't think India has journalists anymore. India has writers, entertainers who are writers, right? So your language has to be. Language is the crucial aspect here. You cannot. Avani and Sagarika have the same question. Unfortunately, I cannot give you a yes/no answer to this question. It will completely depend on how you write it, the kind of language that is used. With precautions. If it has failed, right? If you think it has failed, mention the reasons why you think it has failed. Remember, the reasons have to be mentioned in such a way that you are not blaming anybody. Of course, it's absolutely right. With the correct language, you should not blame anybody. Okay, use litotes. Right? Instead of saying negative, use the antonym and add the word not in front of it. It is bad. Straight. It is not good. Not good is slightly less offensive than saying that it is bad. Clear? So you have to use your language properly. That's the biggest point here. Okay. Now, ideally, whatever the political opinion of the evaluator might be. Okay, the person who's checking your essay, he has a political opinion which is at complete variance with your political opinion. Okay. So ideally, that should not affect the evaluation of your essay. Ideally, that should not affect the evaluation of your essay. But I've already said the word ideally, and all of you know that we don't live in an ideal world. And you don't know which side he is on. Okay? So you have to make it as less offensive as possible. That's the idea. ये सब कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन रिलेटेड टॉपिक्स है एक्चुअली. यूनिफॉर्म सिविल कोड, इट्स टाइम. ये सब पे तो आपने बहुत पढ़ा होगा. Directive principles. We'll come to the probable VAT topics for IPM people also, but this would also add a lot of value to your candidature. Uniform Civil Code. Again, the one thing you need to mention, of course, in Uniform Civil Code, how it will violate, supposedly violate, the fundamental right to religion or the freedom of religion, as they say, right? And you have to quote Article 13 also, which maybe I think says, notwithstanding anything contained in the provisions of this, whatever, no act can be passed to alter any of the rights given under this, etc. But then transfer to property was a fundamental right. Today it's no longer a fundamental right. So it's possible. Anyway, तो आपको सबसे पहली चीज तो when you say it's time, how do you proceed? You have to start with why Uniform Civil Code was introduced in the first place. Okay, so you talk about religious diversity, cultural diversity, etc., etc., etc. Okay, and then you tell them, you try to write down the basic philosophy behind directive principles. If this was what the constitution makers wanted, why didn't they include it in the constitution then and there? Why say that it should be included at some future point of time in the constitution? Maybe because India at that point of time was not ready. Okay, so then you have to examine the question, what makes you think, is India ready or not? First of all, to have a uniform common civil code, and secondly, if it is ready, why do you think it is ready? If it's not ready, why do you think it's not ready? Right, that's how you need to approach. And after that, you take up the contrast between this and the फंडामेंटल राइट. मैं ये टॉपिक पे आपको कुछ भी नहीं बताऊंगा बिकॉज आई एम टोटली फॉर इट. टोटली फॉर इट. राइट विंग होना क्या कर सकते हैं. COVID-19 will set a new world order, or 9 man-made virus, or COVID-19 India failed its core, or COVID-19 healthcare system exposed. Now remember, इसमें आपके पास ये टॉपिक में होना बहुत जरूरी है. तो आपको अच्छा तगड़ा, मेरा मोबाइल पे चाहते हैं, आपको अच्छा तगड़ा रिसर्च करना पड़ेगा इस पे. Right? Now when you talk about India failed its core, okay, you have to talk about a lot of things here. First of all, the packages. So you should know the exact financial amounts, the packages given by the central government, 5 major packages given by various state governments. ठीक है, इसमें गलती से योगी आदित्यनाथ की बहुत ज्यादा तारीफ मत कर देना और उद्धव ठाकरे की बहुत ज्यादा क्रिटिसिज्म मत कर देना. Both will show a political bias, right? If you want to say something good has happened, Yogi Adityanath has done something good, a better language would be that in Uttar Pradesh the government did this, rather than saying Yogi Adityanath did this. In Uttar Pradesh the government did this. That would be a much better way of saying than directly saying that Yogi Adityanath ने तोड़ दिया. Right, or say the government of Maharashtra has lagged behind. ऐसा बोलना. उद्धव ठाकरे has not done his job. ये लैंग्वेज यूज मत कर. अरेस्ट हो जाओगे वो अलग, ऐसे खराब होगा वो भी है. There are two. Thank you Sagarika for taking up that question and answering it. मीडिया फ्रीडम, देयर शुड बी अ लिमिट. अब इसमें मैंने तो हिटलर के कोट से शुरू किया रहता. You know what Hitler said about media freedom? About the media? Read Mein Kampf? Hitler actually said that if you don't check the media, rather than reflecting public opinion, it will start influencing public opinion. You can never trust the media. How true? How will you address this topic, media freedom? बोलो कुछ, सो गए क्या सब लोग? How will you address this topic, media freedom? What has to be the central core of this topic. Talk about media trials, maybe to explain that there should limit and accountability, one of the points. Okay. Talk about fake news, yes, of course. Sensationalism, balanced equation of secrecy and governance. अरे बाप रे भारी दिया है, ठीक है, no problem. I would say biased opinion of journalists, right? You can also talk about the number of defamation cases that have been filed. Okay, but I think what I would say is that the topic itself is irrelevant. Exactly, Smriti. Very good point. The Constitution, which gives you those fundamental rights, right, also limits those fundamental rights. Right? There are certain safeguards that are there in Part 3. Part 3, fundamental rights, I think. Certain safeguards in which a particular right can be restricted. This points to the fact that philosophically the belief is there should be a limit and the limits have already been set, Part 4. And the limits have already been set. Okay, now whether any particular organization or person has crossed that limit or not, it's a matter of judicial interpretation. Who are we to comment? So the mere fact that there are restrictions and safeguards on the fundamental right, freedom of expression, FOE as it is called. FOE is the FOE of peaceful society. Got that statement? Okay, and then maybe, so this is the core thing that you need to address when you talk about media freedom. Okay, the limits have already been set. This has to be the central, the spine of the essay. उसके आजू बाजू आप बहुत सारी चीजें घुमा सकते हैं, but spine ये होना चाहिए. Freedom is never absolute, and maybe you can end with that very famous line. As long as people understand that my right to swing my arm ends where the other person's nose begins, we all will be fine. Right? There is a concept. I don't know what that paradox is, Naman. I'll have to go through it. What will I say? Yeah. कुछ टर्म्स देता हूं मैं. Obedience to the enforceable. This is law. This is morality. We got it? Obedience to the enforceable is law. Obedience to the unenforceable is morality. Maybe you can include that also in this particular essay. तो काफी wide ranging essay रह सकता है. Balakot strike. Any other points you have about media freedom? You can end it with a stupid joke also if you want to take the chance. मत मारने के जो पूरा टेस्ट का क्वालिटी डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाएगा. Structure, language, depth. Three things should be. In order to maintain a tolerant society, the society must be intolerant of intolerance. No, I don't agree with that paradox, unfortunately. But if you can justify it, you can go ahead and use. I don't think it's a problem. I don't agree with that at all. Anything that puts power in the hands of the people, I won't tolerate it. I am totally against it. I think in a tolerant society, there will be a law, there will be a judicial system. If you think somebody has committed a wrong, haul him up in a court of law, let the judiciary decide. Khatam. Who are you to decide? Tolerance itself is, and if you break down that word, तो वो कोट पढ़ते ना बड़े मजे से. इवन इम्पॉसिबल सेज दैट आई एम पॉसिबल, बड़े मजे से पढ़ते ना, मोटिवेट होते ना इस चीज से. मैंने इंटॉलरेंस को ब्रेक कर दिया, उसमें क्या है? तो ये बहस तो कब चलती रहेगी. बट आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड व्हाट शुड बी द spinal cord, spine of your essay when you talk about media freedom. Are we clear? वैसे तो every word which starts with it. सबसे सही तो मेरे को लगता है इंडिपेंडेंस डे. इंडिपेंडेंस डे. Then there is my favorite. Balakot strike, a new India emerges. What will you write? What do you think? Tell me your opinions here. I'm not sure, Miss Sagarika, you can write that in an essay. India's strong reply. Zero tolerance, intolerance of terrorism. Maybe you can see that. How we move from intolerance of terrorism to intolerance of terrorism. Okay. But do you believe it happened? एक मिनट, मेरा फोन का चार्जर घूम गया है. 1 minute. your technique is wise to question in the essay. Yeah. So, see, you have answered the question which many people had asked. Even if you want your essay to have a shade, it's very difficult to walk the line for the entire length of the essay. If it's going to go to one side, it's safer if it goes towards the government side rather than the opposition side. You know what I mean? What happened, Anusha? Lot of problems with the internet? टॉपिक नंबर 7 पे बहुत बहस हो चुकी होगी आपके क्लासेस में. एबॉलिशन ऑफ आर्टिकल 35 and 370 for Jammu and Kashmir, bifurcation of Kashmir. On topic 7, how many of you are in favor of abolition of Article 370? First of all, tell me. जीत गया रे बाबा ये 2024. चलो, anyway, okay, how to walk the line in this, right? Stick to the facts as you have already pointed out. Okay, whatever the Honorable Home Minister has said in Parliament, go through all his speeches on Article 370, go through the entire debate. Okay? Maybe you should have. The point is, at times, maybe political secrecy is required. So we don't know. Go through the entire debate as I was saying. No, if it's impossible and you have to cross the line, cross it on this side, not on that side. That's what I'm saying. Okay. Take up in his speech, in Amit Shah's speech, for Honorable Home Minister Amit Shah's speech, take out the emotion. Okay, 80% of the speech sunni nahi padegi. Focus only on the facts. That's it. That's all. That's all you can really do actually. Nothing else you can do. Opposition parties के जो है उनके भी speeches सुनिए. हो सकता है उसमें से आपको कोई फैक्ट मिल जाए, क्योंकि तो हिंदू पढ़ के आपको फैक्ट तो नहीं मिलने वाला, इस बात की गारंटी है. ओके, कैपिटल पनिशमेंट शुड बी बैंड. व्हाट इज द करंट प्रोविजन इन द इंडियन लॉ अबाउट कैपिटल पनिशमेंट? व्हाट इज द लेटेस्ट स्टैंड ऑफ द सुप्रीम कोर्ट? एनीबडी हु कैन एनलाइटन मी प्लीज? क्या कलेक्टिव कॉन्स्टिट्यूशंस वाला बोलोगे तो मेरे को क्या समझेगा? I think the Supreme Court gave a judgment which is still relevant. Rarest of the rare, absolutely correct. First of all, rarest of the rare, and secondly, no court can execute a death penalty without an examination of those issues by the High Court. I think ऐसे दो चीजें हैं जो current Indian law में, High Court या Supreme Court पता नहीं. Whenever a district court or sessions court gives the punishment of capital punishment, there is an automatic referral to the high court. हाँ, तो उसके बिना वो punishment execute नहीं होता है. ओके, तो इतना. अब यहाँ पर इमोशनल मत हो जाना. No, it should not be banned. सिंपल ओपिनियन. एंड आई थिंक कॉन्फर्मेशन चाहिए वो एबेटमेंट ऑफ, सॉरी नहीं बोलूंगा, थोड़ा कंट्रोवर्शियल इशू हो जाएगा. ओके, सो that is what I think should be how your essay functions as per the. Now don't go to the extent कि देखो अरेबिया में रेपिस्ट्स के साथ क्या करते वगैरह, ऐसा नहीं चलता. आपको लॉ पीसमिल नहीं मिल सकता. अगर आपको वहां का सिस्टम इतना अच्छा लगा तो पूरा सिस्टम ला लो. आपने जब डेमोक्रेसी रूल ऑफ लॉ बोला है तो मौका सबको मिलेगा. हाँ, कुछ लोग, some people know how to misuse it. Remember, misuse of anything, misuse of any act is no ground for repealing the act itself. I repeat that, misuse of any act is not a ground for repealing the act. हमने ये बहुत बार किया है. वैसे एक कानून था, have you heard about this law? Have you heard about this particular act, Prevention of Terrorism Act? Yeah, this was enacted by the NDA-1 government under Atal Bihari Vajpayee. But the movement in 2004, this act was repealed. ऐसे एलिगेशंस लगाए थे ह्यूमन राइट्स ग्रुप्स ने कि ये मिसयूज हो रहा है and people of one particular religious denomination are being targeted. So the government took undue cognizance maybe and then repealed the act. ऐसा उत्तर प्रदेश में एक एंटी कॉपिंग एक्ट आया था बहुत पहले. तो उसके बाद शायद मुलायम सिंह की सरकार आई और उसने वो एक्ट को डिसमिस कर दिया, रिपील कर दिया, बहुत मिसयूज हो रहा है करके, यू नो. तो हाँ, करंट यूएपी. तो इस तरह की चीजें आपको कवर करनी पड़ेगी ऐसे में, कैपिटल पनिशमेंट, नहीं तो ऐसे का साइज ही नहीं बढ़ेगा. एंड ऑफ कोर्स इसमें भी प्रो चॉइस प्रो लाइफ वाला डिबेट आएगा ही कैपिटल पनिशमेंट में भी. हु आर यू टू टेक अवे अ लाइफ? लाइफ इज गिवन बाय गॉड. तुम्हारी क्या औकात है जिंदगी लेने की? ये सब वो प्रो चॉइस प्रो लाइफ वाला डिबेट, इसमें भी उसका एंगल आएगा. ओके. एनपीए, एनपीआर, एनआरसी एंड सीएए डिवाइडिंग इंडिया. क्या लगता है आपको? जस्ट टाइप अ यस और नो. Don't worry, we are not going to send this chat box anywhere. वाह, क्या बात है. जियो मस्त एकदम. चलो, बहुत अच्छी बात है. तो आप लोग तो आराम से लिख सकते हो इस पे. बहुत बहुत चर्चा हुई है, बहुत चर्चा हुई है. वो शाहीन भाग और ये और वो, भगवान, अच्छा हुआ वो बाकी सब चीजें हो गई, नहीं तो अभी तक हम उसी के बारे में बात कर रहे होते. अमिताभ बच्चन ने आज सवेरे भी नाश्ता किया बोलते हैं. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग्स. ओके. So I don't think I have anything to add to your NPR, NRC and CA. We have discussed this in some of the lectures, right? You know what my viewpoint is. Let's not go further. Aadhaar usage, breach of privacy. I think it's about striking a balance. That's what I would say. It's about striking a balance, having proper systems and surrendering a part of your freedom. That's what it is. Striking a balance. I think that's what Aadhaar is. उसमें वो आपके stupid से statements मत लिखना that people put a check-in in every airport and then they say that Aadhaar is violating their privacy. It's a choice. Aadhaar is a compulsion. Okay, so maybe you start by talking about benefits of Aadhaar. कितने benefits मिलते हैं आधार से, right? Social security card, and India is not the only country which has it. Everybody has it. Almost all the nations have it. Okay, so it's up to the individual has to ensure that his Aadhaar is not leaked and does not get into the wrong hands. Okay, और क्या बोल सकते हैं आप? आधार नहीं होना चाहिए तो बोल ही नहीं सकते आप. ये सब टॉपिक्स मेरे को लग रहा है कि ये हिंदू के एडिटोरियल से उठा के लाए. उन्हीं को रहती है ये सब चिंता. लोगों को कुछ भी चिंता नहीं है. लोग इधर कहीं पे भी आधार दे देते हैं, लोग कुछ भी कर लेते हैं. Remember, if you are more offended than the people whom the joke was intended to offend, you are the problem. You are not the solution. Okay? लोगों को कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. मेरे को कुछ और ही दिक्कत थी. When Paytm asked me to update my Aadhaar card, मैंने Paytm यूज करना छोड़ दिया. छोड़ दो ना यूज करना. मैं गूगल पे यूज कर रहा हूँ, वो आता नहीं होता. So people don't have any problem as such. And remember that statement, if you are more offended than the people whom the joke was intending to offend, you are a liberal. Right, Ms. Bhutada? Trial by media, right to privacy, we have already gone through this. Triple talaq and the right to religion. क्या लिखोगे आप? बहुत बड़ी कंट्रोवर्सी हुई थी. I mean, कांग्रेस ही बोल, sorry. Some people were saying that when the Supreme Court has already made triple talaq illegal, why is there a need for an act? Okay, and the simple reason was the Supreme Court had made it illegal, but the Supreme Court had not prescribed any punishment as to what to do if it still keeps on happening. Okay. And that is where the provisions of the act come into play. इसमें आपको एकदम 1985 शाहबानो तक जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. Just talk about the current situation, right? यहाँ पे आप थोड़ा सा इंस्पिरेशन टॉपिक नंबर 5 से भी ले सकते हैं. ओके, नहीं टॉपिक नंबर 5 नहीं, हमने कहीं तो भी अच्छा आज डिस्कस नहीं किया. ओके, तो और ट्रिपल तलाक का एक और ये है, very good. Maybe that's a point that you can put forth, right? One more thing here is, एक मैंने कहीं तो भी पढ़ा था कि when a husband thrashes his wife and leaves her in the middle of the street, there are certain provisions of the IPC also which are attracted, the Indian Penal Code. तो कुछ लोग बोलते थे कि जब इंडियन पीनल कोड में प्रोविजंस हैं, जब बहुत पहले इंडियन पीनल कोड में जो प्रोविजंस हैं, तो ये बहस ही क्यों कर रहे हो कि ट्रिपल तलाक के अगेंस्ट राइट्स लॉ होना चाहिए कि नहीं. आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड. दैट इज वन मोर पर्सपेक्टिव व्हिच यू कैन मे बी एड्रेस. ओके, देन इफ यू आर अ राइट विंग और आपको आपका कैंडिडेचर खराब करना है, आई थिंक यू कैन गो अगेंस्ट ट्रिपल तलाक, और आपको आपका कैंडिडेचर खराब करना है तो आप ये बोल सकते हैं दैट मैरिजेस अमंग्स द हिंदू रिलीजन आर गवर्न्ड बाय द हिंदू मैरिजेस एक्ट ऑफ 1954. Why this selective discrimination? 15 for law and 15 for IPL. So why this selective discrimination? Okay, ये अगर आप करोगे तो आपका कैंडिडेचर खराब हो जाएगा. Sagarika has some internet problem now. Can we give example of Satyprata dowry and widow remarriage to emphasize on the fact that freedom of religion can have reasonable restrictions? Yes, we have passed the law against all of these. बिल्कुल बोल सकते हैं आप, but then word it properly. That's what I'm saying. Vande Bharat towards successful Make in India. India under नरेंद्र मोदी regime. अभी मैं कुछ भी नहीं बताऊंगा, आपको क्या लिखना है. Intolerance just an opposition rhetoric. दे देना आपका वो पंडा. मतलब टॉपिक नंबर 15 इज सेइंग कि इंडिया में इंटॉलरेंस नहीं है, ऑपोजिशन ने कुछ पॉलिटिकल गेन्स के लिए उसका बैंड बाजा बनाया है. Can't think of what to write. So start with what I've told you. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The world is a family, right? In India, a few isolated cases of violence have been projected as intolerance by the opposition. There is no such intolerance in India. All of us are living peacefully. Intolerance is just a word which has a political agenda. ऐसा सब लिखना पड़ेगा. इंटॉलरेंस की धज्जियां उड़ानी है. इंडिया में इंटॉलरेंस है, ये जो बोला जा रहा है, इसकी धज्जियां उड़ानी है. टॉपिक नंबर 15. या फिर आप बोल सकते हो नहीं, इट्स नॉट जस्ट एन ऑपोजिशन रेटरिक, इंटॉलरेंस एक्चुअली एग्जिस्ट्स इन इंडिया. चलो अभी अपन एक एक्सरसाइज करेंगे. यस, ऑलमोस्ट सेम. I want you, I'll give you 20 minutes. I want you to open a Word document and write an essay on topic number 11 that you see here. Do means justify the ends. Actual कहावत है, ends justify the means. Okay, number 11, please write it in a Microsoft Word document on your laptop. अगर फोन पे हो तो शिफ्ट टू अ लैपटॉप, आई डोंट केयर. बाद में बहाने मत देना, मैंने कागज पे लिखा है. और आपका समय शुरू होता है अब. भाग गए होंगे कुछ, लगा इसका मेरे को 12 लोग भाग गए। Two minutes left. क्या हो क्या रहा है तुम्हारे नेट को आज? Last minute, 60 seconds, wind up your essay. Okay, stop writing, please. Stop writing, stop writing, stop writing. Okay, start. Share your screen. Who would like to do that? Yeah, I have enabled screen sharing. ये किसका स्क्रीन है? पूरा काला है. Yeah, who would like to share screen? Show their essay. अरे सो गए क्या सब लोग? अरे स्क्रीन शेयर करो बाबा. Yeah, Shubhi, please. First question should be, why are you so obsessed with killing? Because all examples you have mentioned here are about killing. Okay. And secondly, you have put a very negative twist to the topic. Third, I think it's couldn't think of any example. Do you remember the concept of Nishkam? Okay, you can stop the screen share, Shruti. Shubhi, sorry. Have you heard the concept of Nishkam Karm in the Mahabharata? मेरे को फॉलो करना चाहिए ना यूट्यूब पे बराबर हैं? Anybody who can tell me what is the concept of Nishkam Karma? Nishkam Karma. एक तो ये बाल टोटली आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल है आजकल. Very good. Selfless, desireless, and detached action. That is the concept of Nishkam Karma. The Bhagavad Gita advocates साला पूरा मार्केटिंग करो क्या 3.5 मिनट का पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट दिखा देता है. एनीवे, द भगवद गीता टॉक्स अबाउट एक्टिंग without expecting anything. Act only because it is your duty to act in a certain manner, not because your actions would lead to some glorious results. That is the concept of Nishkam Karma. I think that can be woven easily into this topic. Okay. Secondly, does it work in a reciprocal manner? Do ends justify the means? So you can go to the Western philosophy, Kantian ethics. इसको इसलिए मैंने आपको पढ़ने बोला था. सबके नेट में प्रॉब्लम है आज. देखा, ऐसे जब सिर्फ मैं बात कर रहा था तो 32 लोग अटेंड कर रहे थे. आपको काम करने बोला, 32 में से 13 गायब, 19 लोग बचे, जिसमें से एक तो मैं ही हूं. मतलब आपको बस सुनने का है, काम करने का कुछ नहीं है. आप तो बोले एग्जाम भी मैं ही दे दूं आपके लिए. सॉरी, आप लोगों को क्यों सुना रहा हूं, आप तो है ना. When you talk about this, then you deonto. These are two terms which you can bring into the discussion. The deontological part says that the moral value of an action is determined by the nature of the action itself. Okay, whereas teleological argument says the morality of an action is determined by the consequences of that particular action. Is determined by the consequences of that particular action. Okay, for example, सच बोलो. क्यों? क्योंकि वो सच है. This is focusing on this is deontological. सच जिससे सबका नुकसान हो, वो सच से क्या फायदा? This is the teleological approach, right? So in this essay, मैंने ये लिया क्योंकि ये टॉपिक फिलोसॉफिकल है, इसलिए दैट्स व्हाई आई आस्क्ड यू टू राइट ऑन दिस. आई वांटेड ऑफ कोर्स टू डिस्कस दिस एट लेंथ. ओके, सो ये दूसरा इश्यू है जो आप इसमें ला सकते हैं. ठीक है. देन यू कैन मे बी टॉक अबाउट इन अ वर्ल्ड ड्रिवन बाय नंबर्स एंड नॉट इमोशंस. In a world driven by numbers and numb emotions, okay, it's very difficult to implement this idea, but that does not make that entire idea wrong. You know, इस तरह से कुछ आप लिख सकते हैं. It shouldn't be too long. मैं आपको सिर्फ पॉइंट्स दे रहा हूँ, आपको वक्त पे जो याद आएंगे वो आप कर लीजिएगा, और क्या. Is Bhavika Mittal still there? Left. Okay. Kantian ethics. Yeah, Anvita Chaudhary, please share your screen. By omitting the right from the wrong. ऊपर ऊपर ऊपर. हाँ. What do you mean to say by that? I think you have used the wrong word there. By failing to discern between the right and the wrong. ऐसा होना चाहिए. By failing to discriminate between the right and the wrong. ऐसा होना चाहिए. In an exam also, ma'am, you won't get the time to cross-check. You got it? Failing to discriminate between the right and wrong. That's how it should be. No matter how hard a person tries, how fast he runs in life, he cannot get everything in life. Something or the other always gets left behind. What happens when the means you choose to achieve success are difficult? Roughly 200. Anvita, also, I think you have written on a reverse topic. I think you have written on, do the ends justify the means? When you say, what happens when the means you choose to achieve are success, aren't ethical, you pay cross, etc. तो यहाँ पे ऐसा लिख रहा है आपकी, you are talking about whether the ends justify the means or not. Topic उल्टा है. I think that is one more mistake that you have committed. You should have said that if you follow the right path, you will achieve the correct end. So everybody had this problem. Good head to come. I could barely write anything on means justifying the end. Okay. What you need to write essentially is, first of all, is your typing speed good? Why? So, don't say sorry. It's okay to commit a mistake, boss. It's fine, absolutely fine. ये कोई आपकी 12वीं की क्लास थोड़ी गलती नहीं कर सकता. बिल्कुल गलती कर सकता. कोई टेंशन ही नहीं होता. इतनी गलतियां करने वाला आपको पढ़ा रहा है तो आप तो कर ही सकते हो. Could you please stop the screen share? Yeah, thank you. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is, ये ऐसे में आपको लिखना ऐसा है that if you do the right thing, the consequences will always be right. If you do the right thing, the consequences will always be right. This is what you need to. This is the basic grounds on which you need to write in this. Okay. This is the spine. If you do the right thing, the consequence will always be right. In the long run, the consequence will be right. If you do the wrong thing, the consequence would be wrong. This is what the topic means. Why do you do something? Not because you want to achieve something. You do something because it is the right thing to do. Absolutely, Tejasvi. That's what I'm talking about. That is what the topic is. Have you understood now? Shubhi and Anvita and Sagarika, have you got it now? हाँ, अब ये लाइंस पे आप सोचो कि आप क्या लिख सकते हो. Doesn't matter. 200 words is quite okay. हाँ, अब वो रिपीटेटिव. आपने भगवत गीता कोट किया? नहीं. आपने डियोंटोलॉजिकल टीलियोलॉजिकल कोट किया? नहीं. तो रिपीटेटिव होगा ना. लिख क्या सकते हो आप? एक्टिव वॉइस, पैसिव वॉइस लिख कितना सकते हो आप? नहीं लिख सकते. Quoting the Bhagavad Gita does not make you right wing Hindu. Remember. तो मैं क्यों इतनी मेहनत करके YouTube पे लेक्चर्स बनाते रहता हूँ इतने सारे भगवत गीता के? आप लोग देखते ही नहीं हो. आपको लगता है उससे क्या फायदा है? मैं क्या करूं? तो हाँ, तो अब ऐसे जितने ज्यादा टॉपिक्स करेंगे मैडम उतने ज्यादा पता चलेंगे ना. आज हमने ये टॉपिक किया, 2 नई चीजें पता चली. अब इंटरनेट पे पढ़ लीजिए. ऐसे आप टॉपिक्स देखते रहें और फिर आपको कुछ चीज समझनी है तो आप मुझे पिंग कीजिए. मैं वापस एक सरकास्टिक कमेंट भेज दूंगा. उसमें क्या होता है? तो आप करते रहेंगे तो होते जाएगा. एंड रिमेंबर व्हाट प्लेटो हैड सेड. Humans are born with all the knowledge. Learning is just a process of recollection. I have received your WhatsApp, Miss Sharma. This is very interesting. Seriously, this is the size of the rectangle? इसमें तो टॉपिक पूरा नहीं आ रहा है. Heather, Ducation, Luis, Leads, O, Civilization. अच्छा, आपने उसको राइट में किया. ओके ओके. माय गॉड, दिस इज अ रियल चैलेंज. इसमें वर्ड्स कितने आएंगे फिर? ऑफ कोर्स आप स्क्रॉल डाउन कर करके लिख सकते हो. नहीं, ये वैसे ही लिखना पड़ेगा आपको. यू हैव टू ट्रस्ट योर टाइपिंग स्पीड. आप हर एक वर्ड अगर आपको बस यहाँ पे देखना है, खट खट टाइप करना है. ऐसा टाइप करना है आपको. Are you looking at me? This is how you need to type. Am I looking at more? ओके, सो आपको बस ऐसा देखना है, खट टाइप करना है. राइट. आपका कंसंट्रेशन यहाँ रखना. इक्के दुक्के स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक्स अगर हुए तो छोड़ दो, उसको बहुत ज्यादा लोड मत लो. आप वो ऐसा अगर टाइप करेंगे हो चुका फिर ऐसे. You got the idea? चलिए, very good. तो you have a VAT on Sunday. So I think you should practice. What else can be done? आप एक काम कीजिए प्रियंका जी, 2-3 टॉपिक्स पे आप लिखिए और मुझे मेल कर दीजिए. लेट मी जस्ट गो थ्रू योर एसेस. कम से कम आप आज जो टॉपिक्स दिखा है उसमें से कोई 2 टॉपिक्स पे लिखिए. Mail them across. Let me look at the language. Let me look at the content, and then we can have a chat about it with you. Don't laugh. Yeah, Tejasvi, share your screen. And if you laugh at my email ID, I won't check it, okay? Ah, what a beautiful start. Beautiful start. Wow, okay. Beautiful, very well written, very well written. There is a slight repetition, right? But isme, if you could add all that, a couple of things from what we have discussed, maybe a couple of lines of what we have discussed, then it will add a lot of variety to your essay. Okay. Otherwise, I mean, क्या बोलते हैं? You had me at the first sentence. Beautifully written. Everybody, please read. इसमें you can also include the ridiculousness of that saying, all spare in love and war, how ridiculous that is. But this one is just वो एक थोड़ा सा वो 2 चीजें आप डाल दो तो इतनी अच्छी variety आएगी. Very well, you have the makings of a writer. And I am assuming you are a lady because no boy can write with such sensitivity. Tejasvi, I don't remember. Tejasvi should be a girl. Yeah. No man can write with such sensitivity. Anyway, thank you very much, Tejasvi. If you could kindly stop your screen share. Okay, chaliye, that's about it. Thank you very much. I enjoyed myself thoroughly. Can't say that about you because आधे लोग तो ऐसे लिखने यार ये गलत है यार. मैं जब तक बोल रहा हूँ तब तक 32 लोग थे, आधे गायब हो गए ऐसे लिखने बोला तो मैं कोई कंप्लेंट करनी पड़ेगी. आई विल कंप्लेन. जो भागे ना आज उनकी तो शामत आई बेटा आज. एनीवे चलिए, थैंक यू वेरी मच. टेक केयर. ऑल द बेस्ट. गुड बाय.